Question 1. Functions of streaming the oil just before it passes from spray nozzles into bearing surfaces. Answer is fine mesh. Question 2. To create sufficient propeller thrust to provide desired power, correct combination parameters required. Answer is all of the above. Question 3. Compressor stall can occur. Answer is at low speed. Question 4. After engine starts, what will rise? Answer is all of the above. Question 5. Firewall bulkhead of engine is made up of. Answer is titanium or stainless steel. Question 6. Turbine converts heat energy to. Answer is mechanical energy. Question 7. Spark in high energy igniter is supplied by. Answer is capacitor. Question 8. Purpose of auxiliary power unit is to provide. Answer is hydraulic and electrical power. Question 9. APU, auxiliary power unit, location. Answer is tail cone area. Question 10. Airborne APU, auxiliary power unit, supplies. Answer is electrical and pneumatic energy.